What's up YouTube? I'm Will Zaba, aka @WillyThrilly on Instagram, and I'm back today with another Will Reacts. I'm super stoked today. I'm going to be reacting to the first battle that Swiss BEATBOX has released for the GBB 2023. It's a tag team battle. It is going to be Rogue Wave versus Rofu. Now, before we jump into it, I went back and re-watched all of the tag team eliminations. If you've been following along in my reactions to those, I have been sharing my rankings as I've gone, but sometimes you lose track of who did what. You forget what the first tag team did by the time you've reacted to the last one. Sometimes the last one's what lives as the most hype one in your head. So I wanted to give everyone their fair due. I went back, rewatched all of them in one go. I did watch Palawan and Ziger. I asked you guys in another video if you wanted me to share reactions for those, and no one said anything, so I just took that as no one's that interested in watching those reactions, so I'm not gonna upload reactions, but I did watch them. And before I jump into this reaction, I thought I would share my official ranking. I still don't know what the judges ranked them, but this is my ranking so far. I have Rogue Wave in number 1, Jackpot number 2, Gyro number 3, Husky 4, Rofu 5, Lotus is 6, Palawan and Ziger in 7 and 8. So my ranking did change a little bit. After rewatching them, Gyro really stood out to me a lot more. I forgot how much I enjoyed that one. So I ended up putting them in 3, and Husky in 4 for technicality. I put Rofu just above Lotus because the performance and entertainment aspect was like off the charts. I can only imagine, I imagine as a judge seeing that live, I probably would have had them in like 3 or 4 because they really put on a show, and a lot of that energy probably doesn't translate through the video quite as much. But those were some of the things that stuck out to me. But without further ado, also check out the new light setup. I have a new accent light in the back. You can see it right now. I'm playing with the setup, and I have a new key light here. But more to come with all that. Without further ado, I can't wait any longer. Let's jump into this.
Let's begin. Hit him with the glitch.
Into the battles we go.
We're
there
gonna
are
skip
only
ahead.
4 teams left.
残りは4チーム。
Collapse. River.
We gonna skip ahead. These intros are crazy long. This is gonna be a battle.
Since
The reason I haven't looked at the official brackets to see like who all made it through is because I'm nervous I'm gonna see a spoiler for who won the tag team. At this point I still don't know, and I've been trying not to figure it out because I saw the winners for every other category. So yeah, I'm not entirely sure who wins this yet, and I'm not sure who the other 2 teams are that are gonna battle to go to the finals. But this is gonna be a battle because I have Rogue Wave in first, obviously, and Rofu, their energy and entertaining aspect is, you know, through the roof. So let's see where this goes.
Rogue Wave, ranked higher, they have chosen Rofu to go first.
Okay.
You'll be going first.
Yeah.
Right here live and direct, once again, Tokyo. We're gonna go and get into the tag team battle. In Sun!
Here we go. Rapid.
Yo. We love freestyle. Okay.
Freestyle.
Revenge match.
Freestyle is a risky move in a battle of this this caliber against Rogue Wave, who surely came prepared with an insane round.
This is freestyle, and this is Hokkaido style, you know? Yo, we are approachable, make some noise! Woo! Yuke mori mori. Yuke mori mori.
can't tell who was doing the spit snares there in like that last 10-15 seconds, but unreal, so clean.
Switch!
At first I thought they messed up, but they're doing like an offbeat rhythm type of thing. Okay, so first initial thoughts, I'm giving the first round to Rogue Wave, and because the complete opposite of what I expected to happen happened. I expected Rofu to come out and do what they normally do and be super energetic and get the crowd on board and have everyone going crazy. And instead they came out and did like this freestyle round, which, don't get me wrong, the beatbox was super high level, very entertaining, very good sound. But I actually thought Rogue Wave stole the energy of the first round. They had the crowd going nuts, jumping, and the round musically kind of reminded me a little bit of their Elimination. It's like that, you know, kind of house beat tempo that they're doing, but obviously much more of a rehearsed round. Structurally, I thought it was a lot better. It was a little bit tighter. Technically, it was a little more up here, like the way they were ping-ponging the sounds off each other. So Rofu's going to have to make a big move in the second round, in my mind, to steal this battle, because then Rogue Wave has a chance to rebuttal and finish it out because they go last. But let's see what happens.
Switch!
Let me know who you preferred in the comments for the first round.
Okay, listen now. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。Yo, we are love from Japan. Are you ready, JBP?
This is more of what I expected in the first round.
Yeah, listen. 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言います。Yeah. We are not from Japan. Are you ready? 俺のおばあちゃん、幸子と言いますね。
Wait a second, I just realized that they battled before at the 2021 GBB, and the beat that he just took a stab at was one that Rogue Wave did against them in 2021. And it's one of the craziest videos I've ever seen. That round where they do the do 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 The way they ping pong that sound off each other was like one of the craziest tag team moments I've ever seen. But that's hilarious. I didn't realize till just now I've seen them battle before.
Switch!
Hey yo, everybody, are you ready? Gunshots in the ribcage. Gunshots in the ribcage.
So bouncy. The dancing.
Time.
Wow. Whew. That was nuts. So, obviously, I'm trying to remain unbiased here. Let me know in the comments if you disagree with me, but for me, Rogue Wave definitely won both rounds of this battle. So in my head, they should be going forward to battle the winner of whoever the other two teams are that are going to be competing in the semifinals. So I foresee Rogue Wave in the finals. I could be wrong. I've been wrong before, but let's see what the judges have to say. But incredible rounds from both teams. I definitely preferred Rofu's second round. I thought both their rounds were like pretty evenly good, but the end of that second round was fire. See what the judges have to say. Who wins? Who wins? Let me know in the comments.
What a crazy battle in the tag teams right here, but only one can move on to the finals. We go to our judging panel.
Let me know who you preferred in the comments and why. I'm trying to get this comment section going again. It's kind of died off since I took a break from uploading. So help me out, guys.
2 to 1 judges in 3. Give it up for Rogue Wave.
Hit him with the
Let's go, Rogue Wave.
You have not seen the last of them, for they'll be in the small finals.
I love the respect, the support, the energy on stage. It's all positive vibes. That's why I love the BEATBOX community. All right, let's see. Are they doing shout outs at the end here? Yeah.
Social medias, I go by the name of River BBX on Instagram. And I'm Collapse BBX.
Yeah. Check out their profiles. Give them some love and support.
Thank you for watching. We are Rofu.
Give Rofu some love and support. Hit them up on their profiles. Like their videos. Subscribe to them on YouTube. Check them out on Instagram, guys. Give them support. Of course, please watch the original video posted by Swiss Beatbox to show them some love and support. I never want you guys to just watch my videos and never support the original content. So show them some love and appreciation. If you're not subscribed to Swiss Beatbox yet, do that. If you're not subscribed to me yet, do that, please. If you like the video, hit thumbs up. Without any more talking, I'm gonna let you guys get out of here. It's been a pleasure reacting to the first battle, guys. I cannot wait to see the next one in the final. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going, guys. I'll catch you next time. You know what to do. Keep pushing. It's not gonna focus unless it's in front of my face. Peace.